Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show. Microscope,
Welcome back, Brent. I have a lighter. I don't smoke. I just go to concerts with it.
You're gonna just flame it in there?
It's kind of interesting. I'm not gonna light it. I don't want to burn the lens because we're pretty close to it. But look at that little mechanism there.
Right.
That scrapes against the flint, I guess. Well, maybe I can light it for it. Maybe I can get a little something going here.
Be careful.
And that's where the gas comes out.
The gas comes out of that, huh?
Yeah.
And I don't know what happens. You create a spark because you're creating a spark with that rubbing against what?
See, underneath the spark comes out, and then it hits that.
It hits the gas.
Let's see if we can see where the spark comes out. You can see the shards of the
metal.
the flint, I think. It just looks so.
I want to know where it's rubbing against.
It's rubbing against a piece of flint down there. You see?
Oh yeah.
Let's see if I can get it. Well, you can't really see it. Maybe you can. Down there, it's a piece of, I guess, flint. And then you press this down.
What is flint?
It's a city that has bad water.
Right.
It's a stone that when you strike it, it sparks.
Oh, is that true?
I guess. Well, that's a little something.
Hey, that's a little something. A little
That's a
something.
little something.
A little
I
something
mean,
for the
I don't
Patreon.
know.
That's a little Patreon exclusive for
Yeah.
you.
What else we got? You know what? This might be cool. This can of LaCroix. Let's look at it. What is that? What do you think that looks like?
What do you mean? What part of it?
I don't know. What do you just think it looks like?
Oh, it just looks like a can with.
What colors you see?
Looks like a nice can of Shasta Cola,
It's pamplemousse flavor.
which is grapefruit.
It looks cool. The lettering looks cool this close up, though.
All lettering looks
Ooh,
cool.
look at that. This really looks cool, though.
Actually, it's interesting
I
how there's
like
a
that.
3D effect kind of or something, right?
I like that. But
What's
then-
that right there?
Well,
A little.
of course, it's a fiber.
What's that thing over there?
Look, they have to tell everyone it's grapefruit, okay? In parentheses.
What it was that little
It's a
headphone?
fiber.
Oh, it was a fiber. I thought it was
I
headphones.
think.
That's not. Oh, that's a fiber, not headphones.
It's not headphones, no. And this is kind of cool up here. Oregon and Michigan, you get 10 cents for this can.
Huh? 10 cents, not bad.
Look at that. What is this? What's that, West Virginia?
What is that? That's a hidden thing on a can that you don't even know about.
No, that's West Virginia.
It is?
CA.
CRV.
Yeah, CACRV. Is that West Virginia?
Hmm.
Do you know?
No, I don't know.
You don't know your states?
I
think
don't.
that's where it was like bottled.
I don't know what that shape is.
It's the shape of a state. Trevor, can you look up the shape of West Virginia real quick?
Why do you think West Virginia?
Because that's just what it looks like.
Oh, really? You think that? I think you could be wrong.
Or South Carolina.
Now you're talking. South Carolina?
Look them up both. Okay, so Connecticut, Maine, Vermont.
So West Virginia looks like that.
It's West Virginia.
Oh, you are so right. How'd you know that?
Because I went to school. You don't know what states look like?
I know what some states look like, but not West Virginia of all places. Come on. I know what West Virginia is.
Look, it's a great state, okay?
You only get 5 cents in these places.
Look, you get 5 cents in Hawaii, Iowa, New York, Massachusetts, Vermont, Maine, and Connecticut. Now here's the little. Oh, this might be cool.
Oh yeah,
This is
that
gonna
would
be
be cool.
cool.
You're gonna rip through that.
I'm gonna rip it
aluminum?
open. I'm gonna bust it open.
Be careful. Oh, wrong side.
No, it's not.
Oh, there it is. You're right. It's a pre-perforated.
Look at it. Look, it looks like metal goes into the can. You see it? See that? What is? Oh, it's water. It's liquid. But at the seam, it looked like part of the seam was going. Look, isn't it?
Right.
Doesn't it look like that?
Oh, wow.
Ooh, the effervescence.
Right.
Check it out. There's the bubbly.
The bubbly crust.
That's the tab going in right here. Let's take a look. Next time you pop up with a nice cold LaCroix,
Just
think about this video.
Yeah, realize all the work that goes into it.
Okay. So there's the tab. It looks like a big industrial sculpture or something at this level. Maybe Klaus Oldenburg. Who's that artist?
I don't know.
The artist that does the big stuff?
You mean those balloon looking?
Klaus.
The balloon, they look like
He'll do like a big pencil.
party balloons?
He does like a big pencil.
Yeah, I've seen it. They did that Michael Jackson thing?
I'm actually thirsty. Are you thinking of Jeff Koons?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking of, yeah.
No, I'm talking about this guy does big stuff. Real big. Like it's outside.
I don't know, man. You know all the stuff I don't know about West Virginia shape and, this artist with the big stuff.
Ingredients. Carbonated water.
And
Natural flavor.
essence.
Isn't that a cop-out, natural flavor? Just what do you mean?
I hear that.
Isn't everything a natural flavor when you think about it?
Right.
And look, there's the halftone coloring into the beautiful colors of the Pamplemousse can. There's the C of the LaCroix.
The Sea of the LaCroix.
That's the C of the LaCroix right there.
Right. It is like a map or something, huh?
Well, that was pretty cool. Bottoms up, Brent.
Cheers.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope.